Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Prominent clergyman Reverend Al Miller has launched the Jamaica First movement, which he will be seeking to have registered as a political party to contest the general election. But as you hear in this report, the clergyman wants only a 5-year term to establish government of national unity.
Jamaica First Movement, or JFM for short. The newest political party aiming to enter the Jamaican political space with plans to do what no other political party has been able to do: rally about 70% of undecided voters to cast their ballots in the next general elections. Well-known clergyman Reverend Al Miller says he formed the movement to end decades of political division and systemic challenges in Jamaica's political system. He explains that he's taking action because of a lack of commitment from the two main political parties, which he sent formal invitations to form a coalition for a 5-year term.
We would have preferred a natural coalition of the existing parties if they would be open to it, in spite the challenges. That has proven difficult. So hence, we have created, as we had said to the public at the beginning of the year, to establish a special purpose vehicle for one 5-year term to be able to accomplish the goals.
Those goals include using Christian values of truth, justice, and righteousness to defeat corruption, division, and injustice. Built on the premise of integrity and transparency, Reverend Miller says the JFM has a workable vision and detailed transformation plan for all sectors to propel Jamaica towards first world status in 5 years. He adds that the movement has already secured the initial investment and is calling for patriotic Jamaicans to take a leave of absence from their current political parties, businesses, or civil society roles to serve the nation for this 5-year period.
We are open. Political parties who exist, if they committed to the principle of unity, can become a part. So in the next week or so, we will do whatever is necessary on that side. But currently, it's a vision and a call that we are making. And if our people are committed and want something new, then therefore we will do whatever is necessary.
He says he has already met with numerous church leaders who have given their endorsement and support to the initiative, and after gauging the reactions from the public, will take the next step of registering the JFM as a political party. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.